Welcome to qnawire.
Now we'll work on problem 6 from chapter 17. In this problem, we're asked to match the following description of titration curves with the diagrams that are provided. So let's go ahead and draw each of these and then we'll match them together. So for A, we're told strong acid to strong base. So we're going to say strong acid to strong base. For B, we'll say strong base to weak acid. So we're starting with a weak acid. For C, we have strong base to strong acid, this time starting with the strong acid. And then for D, we have a strong base to polyprotic acid. Now we can go ahead and draw the curves here. So one here, we'll draw the axis for only one graph. For all of them, they're the same. And we start at a low pH, sharp increase to a higher pH. For number 2, we start at a high pH, sharp decrease to lower pH. For 3, we start at an intermediate pH, little increase, higher pH. And for 4, we have 2 equivalence points, like this. So now we can match these. So we see right away that number 4 has 2 equivalent points, so it should be connected to a polyprotic acid. If we have only one proton on the acid, we'll only have 1 equivalence point. So since we have 2, we can match D and 4. Next, we can look at the strong acid to strong base, the first one. And here we know that if we're adding to a strong base, we need to start from a high pH. And the only one that starts at a high pH is number 2. Now we'll switch to blue here, and then we'll say strong base to weak acid. So we're starting with the weak acid. So between the 2 that are left, 1 and 3, we want the one that starts at a higher pH because it's a weak acid, and so that's number 3. And then for the only one left, strong base to strong acid, we're starting at a low pH, going to a higher pH. That's number 1. So to clarify, we have A matched with 2, B matched with 3, C matched with 1, and D